Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and most isolated continent on Earth. A place where temperatures drop below -80 degrees Celsius, where no native human civilization has ever existed, and where an international treaty strangely forbids military activity and permanent settlements. On the surface, it's just endless ice. But beneath that ice, mysteries, secrets, and theories that have puzzled explorers, scientists, and governments for centuries. Why is Antarctica so restricted? What secrets are hidden under miles of ice? And why do so many bizarre conspiracies, from Nazi bases to alien structures, connect back to this frozen land? Stay with me, because today we're going deep into the mysteries of Antarctica, and trust me, the truth might shake everything you thought you knew. Before start to watch full video, just like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So let's start. Antarctica contains almost 70% of the world's fresh water, frozen into ice sheets that are over 3 kilometers thick. Scientists say if this ice melted, global sea levels would rise by more than 200 feet, drowning coastal cities. But what lies beneath that ancient ice is perhaps even more mysterious. Satellite scans have revealed massive structures, strange shapes, and even what looks like hidden mountain ranges. Could it be just natural geology, or evidence of something buried long ago? Some researchers claim that Antarctica might be hiding the remains of an ancient lost civilization, one that existed before the continent froze. One of the strangest pieces of evidence comes not from Antarctica itself but from history, the Piri Reis map, created in 1513 by an Ottoman admiral. The map shows the coastlines of Africa and South America with stunning accuracy. But here's the twist. It also shows the northern coast of Antarctica, centuries before it was officially discovered in 1820. Even more shocking, the map depicts Antarctica without ice, suggesting that whoever drew it had access to knowledge from a time when the continent was ice-free. Was this map evidence of an advanced ancient civilization, or knowledge passed down from a forgotten era? In 1946, the U.S. Navy launched Operation Highjump, the largest military expedition ever sent to Antarctica. Officially, it was a training mission, but conspiracy theorists argue otherwise. The mission included 13 ships, 33 aircraft, and over 4,700 men. Just months after arriving, the mission ended suddenly, with strange reports of unidentified flying objects attacking U.S. aircraft. Some believe the Navy encountered something they weren't prepared for, possibly remnants of Nazi bases rumored to be in Antarctica, or even alien technology. To this day, documents from Operation Highjump remain classified, fueling endless speculation. During World War II, Nazi Germany was obsessed with Antarctica. In 1938, the Nazis launched an expedition to the continent, claiming a region they called Neuschwabenland. Rumors suggest they built secret bases there, and some conspiracy theories claim high-ranking Nazis escaped to Antarctica after the war. Even more bizarre, some stories connect these bases to advanced technology, UFOs, and hidden weapons. While no concrete evidence has ever been found, the mystery of Nazi Antarctica bases continues to fascinate researchers and conspiracy hunters alike. Antarctica is the only continent with no country ownership. Instead, it's governed by the Antarctic Treaty system, signed in 1959 by more than 50 nations. It prohibits military activity, nuclear testing, and claims of sovereignty. But here's the strange part. Ordinary people cannot freely travel across Antarctica. Scientific missions are allowed, but tourists are restricted to limited areas. Why such secrecy? If Antarctica is just ice, why the heavy restrictions? Some believe governments are hiding something, whether it's ancient ruins, secret research, or even alien activity. Deep beneath Antarctica's ice lies Lake Vostok, one of the largest subglacial lakes on Earth. It's been sealed off for millions of years, isolated from the surface world. When Russian scientists drilled into the lake in 2012, they discovered unknown microbial life forms, organisms that may have evolved in complete isolation. Could this hidden lake hold clues to extraterrestrial life? If life can exist in such extreme hidden environments on Earth, maybe it can also exist on icy moons like Europa and Enceladus. But what's even stranger, after the discovery, Russian officials went silent for months. Some claim they found something far more shocking than microbes. Over the years, satellite images of Antarctica have sparked wild theories. Strange pyramid-like mountains, massive entrance-looking holes in the ice, and unusual geometric shapes have led some to believe that ancient structures lie buried beneath the snow. Scientists say these are just natural formations, but skeptics argue, are we really seeing mountains or the remnants of an ancient civilization, perhaps even Atlantis? One of the most controversial theories linked to Antarctica is the Hollow Earth theory. Some claim massive openings at the poles lead into a hidden world inside the Earth. This theory connects to old myths about underground civilizations and UFOs emerging from the poles. In fact, famous explorer Admiral Richard Byrd, who led multiple missions to Antarctica, allegedly wrote in his diaries about encountering lands beyond the poles and even describing strange aircraft. These writings remain disputed, but they fuel the idea that Antarctica hides entrances to another world. Beyond the conspiracies, there's a very real and urgent mystery in Antarctica: the rapid melting of ice. Glaciers are collapsing, ice sheets are thinning, and scientists warn that rising sea levels could reshape human civilization. Could this be why global powers are so interested in Antarctica? Is it simply about science? Or are nations quietly preparing for a future where Antarctica's resources like water, minerals, and possibly oil become accessible? Antarctica is a land of paradoxes, a frozen wasteland that may hold the secrets of Earth's past, forbidden zones that spark endless speculation, and unexplored depths where life, or something else, might be waiting. The question is, why so much secrecy? Why so many unanswered questions? Perhaps Antarctica is simply nature's final frontier, or perhaps it is hiding truths that humanity is not yet ready to face. One thing is certain: the mystery of Antarctica is far from solved. And maybe, just maybe, the truth will one day rise from beneath the ice. Thanks for watching.